It's a short little video on how to set up the KK2 and the KK2.1 board holder, control board holder, and the receiver pad. I've been using this quite a bit and it works really good. You can actually switch it from quad to quad in about 2 minutes. It's really nice. So if you only have one controller and one receiver, you can set it up and just move it from quad to quad. Anyway, here's the receiver and the receiver pad, receiver holder, receiver pad, and it's made in one. And right now we are 3D printing these, but we're going to have them in production pretty soon here. We're working on the tooling, and as soon as that's completed, then we'll roll that out. Anyway, we have the board, and this is the KK2 board, which the KK2 and KK2.1 are the same size, so everything works great on that. The box that it comes in, what I normally do, or the piece that it comes in, I just peel off this top piece, and it will peel off. You have to be a little careful with it so you don't tear it. But I peel this off, and I use this for the vibration isolation on it. And of course, I put it on Velcro too, and that helps out. And I haven't had any problems at all so far. So anyway, got that tore off. And it still has that adhesive on it. It works kind of good. So you can go ahead and put it in the holder. Fits perfect. You don't have to trim it or anything. And you just squeeze it down in, and make sure the sides are down really good. And that works out really, really good. So we have that done. The board now, and the neat part about this is that you can set this how you want. The receiver is going to go here. I mount mine like this, but you know, you can mount them this way or this way, whichever way you want. So I'm going to go ahead and get that mounted. I'm going to get a little bit closer shot on this. Okay. We're going to go ahead and this all comes with it. And I'm using a lemon receiver, and I haven't had any problems with it yet. Now, I haven't really tested the range on it, but you know, I've flown some pretty good distances with this and haven't had a problem at all. And I'll do a little bit of a couple more videos on this receiver because, like I said, I really like it. It's worked out pretty good, and it's like under $6, and it's a 6-channel, and it's Spectrum Spectrum compatible. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel that off, and you can put this on with Velcro if you want to also, or you could actually hot glue it or however you want. I've been putting them on like this, and they hold up really well. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuck down on there. Now that's installed. And the good thing about this orientation, you can turn your KK2 in obviously 4 different ways to get a different orientation on your receiver to fit on your quad. So for this one right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put it like this. Again, this is the front of your quad. So go ahead and set it down in there, push it down in. And they're pretty, you know, right now it's not coming out. I mean, you can force that out, but it's held on pretty good. What I normally do is put a little dab of hot glue in the corner and another corner here. And if you want to move it, and I've done it quite a few times, you can actually get a pair of needle nose or a little knife and loosen that up on each corner. Pull out the little dab of hot glue, and you can change the orientation of your board. And the other thing I normally do too is that I'll put the annunciator on, and I normally hot glue it on here also. A little dab of hot glue works fantastic. It holds it, it's out of the way, and it stays right there forever. Now that's all there is to this, and of course your wiring is going to be tied in here. Actually, your wiring is going to be tied in here, So, you know, this could be turned around actually this way, make it even better. If you want your wires really sharp, this could be turned this way. And then when you put it, whenever I put it on the quad, like this, it's gonna fit like this. And you know, just put Velcro here, fit it there, your wires go on, you're in good shape. And that's what I do. Thanks a lot. Subscribe, please.